everybody, welcome to Cooking with Clara. Today we're going to make chocolate chip cookies. Here are the ingredients we're using today. Butter, sugar, brown sugar, and flour. Eggs, baking soda, salt, vanilla, and chocolate chip. First things first, get Mommy to turn on the oven, 350 degrees. First thing we're going to do is combine the butter, the sugars, the eggs, the vanilla. My hands are gross. We're going to wash our hands anyway.
Yes, we will.
Oh, pig. Gross. I slowed it. It's on one. Gotta add the sugars. Oh! It's like sand. Sand. I'm adding sand. Oh, now it's the color brownish yellow. Gross. I'm going to get this shell. There's a shell in there. Eggs. Oh my God. Now the vanilla. Here. The tiniest sliver. And now the eggs. Ah! That's funny, it got on me. It's looking good. Great job, everyone. Time for this gizmo. Now we're going to add in the baking soda, salt, and flour to make chocolate chip cookies. Baking soda now. Oh, I almost dropped it. Whoops, I spilled. Now it's time to mix it up. Put it in slowly, slowly there. Okay. We don't want it at 10. Remember, don't overmix. Turn off. Now is my favorite part. Let's add the chocolate chip. I spilled one. Oh, some You don't need to mix it too long. Hold on. This is my big brother, Brian Craig. He's going to help me scoop cookies. I love doing it. One day I want to do cooking with Brian Craig.
You do?
Because it's so fun. Oh, I want to get lots of this chocolate chip. And then you just flat, flat, flat. Those are some good scoops. Great job, everyone. Can you have this? Sure. Ah! And that. This tray's ready for the oven.
Here we go.
When it's in the oven, I just want to look at this, okay? Alarm went off. Time for Mommy to take the cookies out of the oven. It goes hot.
Yes, very hot.
No, they're hot. They're burning hot. They'll cut our fingers off. The cookies had cooled. Now we get to eat them. We can eat them. Perfect. Did I do a great job? Really great. You're right, I did. Cooking with Ron, Craig, and Clara. Both of us. Well, it was fun. We're going to see you next time on Cooking with Clara. Bye. Bye.